Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the wireless Bluetooth headphones from the company Cabor, C-A-B-O-R. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So there shouldn't be a whole lot to show you here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you everything you get. Instruction manual. This model is the S21s. They are over-the-ear soft headphones. So I am not a fan of earbuds. For my ears at least, earbuds just fall out. So I always look for earphones that have either a cord or some kind of strap that goes around the back, and that's exactly what these are. You'll notice there's a soft, flexible cord that wraps around the back of your head, goes behind the ears. And then these are nice because they've got the soft cushions, kind of like an 80s headphone. And they also give you some additional soft foam cushions in case these get sweaty, tear apart, so on and so forth. Not a whole lot to show you. There is some discrepancy on their website. There's two different places where it says it's 12-hour battery life, and then there's another place where it says 20-hour battery life. So I'm not real sure which of those two it'll be. I'll find out once I start using them. They do have a built-in microphone, and they do come with a standard Android charging cable. Let me see. This is like really in there. Nice long standard Android charging cable. Not a whole lot to show you, but that's an unboxing video of the Cabor S21 headphones. I hope the video helps.